The EGO LBPX8000 Backpack Blower impresses with its remarkable air speed reaching up to 190 miles per hour, ensuring efficient clearing of leaves and debris. With a powerful 800 cubic feet per minute airflow, this blower is designed to handle even the toughest outdoor cleaning tasks effortlessly. Equipped with a high-performance 1,900-watt brushless motor, it delivers power comparable to a 60 cubic centimeter gas engine, yet with the convenience of battery operation. The blower's digital controls allow for easy customization of performance, including speed control and battery level monitoring, enhancing user experience. Constructed with UV-resistant composite materials and IPX5 rated weather resistance, this blower is built to withstand demanding professional use in various weather conditions. With a potential runtime of up to 240 minutes on low settings using 256-volt 12-ampere-hour ARC Lithium batteries, it offers extended operational time for large projects.